Okay, it's William, Flying39. I'm here with flying the little Sport Cub S2. This was the first little airplane that I ever learned to fly for any time. It's kind of windy. I've been messing around with the dual rates and the settings, and so we shall see how this goes here. So it's a little too windy for this airplane, but that's my problem. We got the wind going in a different direction here. So, let me see here. We good? Yep. Trying to surf into the wind here. It is windy for her. This thing would not dive because my elevators weren't level on my first couple of flights, so it's constantly fighting it. It's getting knocked around. Full throttle, barely moving. Yeah, this is not recommended wind for this little light airframe. This will be my only flight today. This thing. It's nice to have the timber that hasn't been get up and go. Land her. It's flying like a kite. Go back. Bring her down. Ooh, okay, we're all right. Little thing on the wing. No worries. Well, that's a wrap for that thing. Over and out.